Been having issues with the tank building up pressure, so I decided to check the vent. And if you blow in it, can't blow any air through it. And when I checked, the one-way valve at the bottom of this line is clogged. So we're going to take it off, and until my other one shows up, I have some sitting here, just some standard little stubby ones. Little solution for now, until I get my other little valve. I'm going to take off the mask so I can change it out for my white one that showed up. Just a couple plug-ins for this particular one. It's got an LED one in of here, of LED one of some sort in here. I got no idea. It's pretty bright. I can't complain. I'm gonna change out the black mask. Start by, looks like there's some screws. The adjuster screw, which is really damn loose. Wasn't doing a whole lot of much. And it's rusty as hell. One, two, three, and four. Got the light and the mask. I think these just pull through. They do. Set that over there so I won't lose it. This one. And this guy's stripped. I'll have to look when I get the other one. It's real hard to see, but these two are both broke. See if this screw's nicer, or if I can use it for my adjuster. It sure looks like I might be able to use this one versus this one. At least get rid of one screw. I did order a genuine KTM white mask, or shroud, or whatever you want to call it. And I thought I was going to get away with stealing that other screw, but I am not, because the new one did not come with one. So we'll start by putting it back together. And if you know, you gotta have a vessel. I love these. Gotta give it the reverse so it pops. So you're only cutting one set of threads. That's a pro tip. Or not so pro tip, depending on who you are. 'Cause hopefully some of y'all knew that. Put the nasty rusty boy back in. Don't want to, but kinda is what it is. Not going to tighten that down real tight because we'll have to do it later. But there it is. Not black. It's white. Matches the bike. I think it'll look really good. Got a Flight of 4 caddy helmet hanger with the suspension screwdriver and the tweezers on it. I think these are really cool. I saw these online and it was one of those I had to have it items. 3D printed. It actually looks pretty nice. It should be pretty sturdy. We've got a helmet. I'm pretty sure that's the idea. That's the idea, and it looks quite nice. Hangs, it feels sturdy. You got your little tools there. We'll start putting this back together. I did clean all the connectors with dielectric grease because they were dirty, just like every other connector on this bike has been. Ain't no big deal. Something we can fix easy enough. Make sure it's sitting in its pins. I had that one in backwards. Again, no big deal. To undo that screw again to get the cables through here. Get that one back up. That fits a lot better than the other one did, which is good because the other one fit not so great. And look at that. Get this rooted a little better. Looks so much better. Cable routing's nice. Matches. Looks really good now.